This is the version 2 of the Rolling Bag 76, a 76-key keyboard case with wheels, a trolley handle, carry handles, and both large and small accessory pockets. There are two bags in this series, the standard model and the slim model, and both are designed to fit 76-key keyboards. The bag dimensions of the standard model are 51.57 inches by 18.11 inches by 6.3 inches, and the bag dimensions of the slim model are 51.18 inches by 12.6 inches by 5.12 inches. Each model also comes with two foam inserts with Velcro on them that allow you to fit them as additional padding around your keyboards and customize the padding fit you want inside your case. There are also two giant protective and padded Velcro straps that go over your keyboard and secure it tight to the bag so that your keyboard won't move or slide around during transport. These straps also act as an additional layer of padding over your keyboard. The interior of the bag is lined with tricot and soft foam with a polyethylene reinforced interior frame, and the bag has an extremely rugged nylon construction with built-in multi-layers of protection to add strength and hardness to protect your keyboard from accidental drops. There are rubber spikes on the side of the case, so if you have to place the case down, it won't slide, and there are skid bars on the rear allowing you to place the case down without worrying about scratches or anything. There is a carry handle on the back of the case and the Velcro carry handles on the side, which allow you to carry the case either vertically or horizontally. And the built-in wheels and trolley handle on the top allow you to trolley the keyboard around, which is especially helpful for heavier keyboards. And on the front we have two pockets, a large one and a smaller pocket. And the combination of both of these pockets are super useful to store a variety of different things. You can store an iPad or tablet in this pocket. A lot of musicians keep their sheet music and chords on their iPad or tablet, so this pocket is great for that. Or you can just put your sheet music here, etc. In the smaller pocket, you can keep any power cables, quarter-inch cables, DI boxes, sustain pedals, microphones, basically anything else you would need for your performance. And the zippers all throughout the bag are super strong and high-quality zippers. So if you're a musician, performer, or entertainer looking for a 76-key keyboard case for your keyboard, synth, or MIDI controller that has wheels, a trolley handle, carry handles, and both large and small accessory pockets, look no further than the version 2 Rolling Bag 76 series from Rockville.